Grant's technical backup support is second to none. We want to help you all of the way. With Grant, no query is too complex or simple. You may seek assistance in a variety of ways. You may want to talk about choosing the most appropriate boiler, selecting the best flue option, disposing of the condensate, fault finding, servicing or maintenance, or you may need advice on identifying a component or other service issues. We're here to provide friendly, professional advice about any product or problem, and will most certainly not subject you to that modern corporate nightmare of endless switchboard roundabouts. We'd also like to remind you that Grant run a wide range of courses at their award-winning Devizes facilities. These include product courses, as well as off-tech training and assessment. For more details, call Grant and speak to the training department. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that you found it helpful. This production is just one part of our ongoing commitment to you and to your business success. For Grant, absolutely nothing is more important than that.